Promoting the free flow of energy through acupuncture. There are many different ways that we can help ourselves naturally. For some people, they do a lot with their diets and perhaps meditation, but for others, they may need a bit more of a natural boost. One way that we can help ourselves to heal and to rejuvenate is through the process that is known as acupuncture. Although this method of healing is thousands of years old, it is still revered as one of the basic ways to take care of ourselves and to balance the life force that is within all of us. What exactly can acupuncture do for you? According to traditional Chinese medicine, we all have an energy within ourselves that is known as qi. This energy flows freely through us and is the essence of what we actually are on the inside. Chinese medicine identified roughly 14 channels through which this life force flowed. From time to time, however, we may experience a blockage of the free flow of this life force, which causes problems in us that range from minor aches and pains to serious illness. Whenever we experience an imbalance in our qi, acupuncture is able to bring our body back into a balanced state again. By stimulating various acupuncture points on our body, it can send energy and increased blood flow to other areas of our body. For example, the palm of the hand and the web of the thumb can be used to help with headaches. There are over 2,000 of these acupuncture points that are found throughout the body that can help in numerous ways in order to promote good health and to aid in healing the body of the problems that it experiences. Whenever our body is in balance and flowing properly, it does not hold disease in easily. This is also seen in the pH balance that is in our body and just goes to show exactly how important it is for us to stay within the lines of physical balance. So, if you are experiencing pain or sickness, acupuncture may be up to bring you back to a state in which your body can remove it from itself. By using acupuncture as a basis for a natural, healthy life, you are giving yourself the opportunity to be free of disease and the problems that imbalance creates.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.